What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize my home screen using only two apps, Widgetsmith and the shortcut app. So let's hop right in this video. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select one of the pictures I downloaded from Pinterest, and I'm going to change my the background on my home screen. So I'm just going to select that picture, and then I'm going to use as wallpaper, but I'm going to save it as my home screen. Next, what you want to do is just hold down one of the apps and then click on edit home screen. And then I'm going to swipe left and type in Widgetsmith. Remember, that's one of the apps I downloaded for this. So this is Widgetsmith. I already have some widgets created, but I'm going to go ahead and delete these widgets and I'll show you guys how I did it. So there's like small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets that you can create. So then I'm going to click on add small widget, and it's going to create a widget. So I'll click on that, and then I'll just choose the widget I want, which is week 39. So I'm going to select that widget. And then I'll click on the font, and I'm going to click on noteworthy. And then the tint color, I am going to choose gray. So that's like the text color. So I'll choose gray. And then the background color, I'm going to choose white. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to add another small widget. So I'm going to click on add small widget, click on that. And then I'm just going to scroll through to see what other small widget I want to add. So I like the sunset widget. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to select my location. I'm going to choose noteworthy for the font. And then tint color, I'm going to choose gray. And then the background color, I'm going to choose white again. And then I'm going to click on the back arrow where it says small number 2. I'm going to click that to go back. I'm going to close Widgetsmith, and I'm going to go back to my home screen. I'm going to, again, hold down one of the apps, click edit home screen, and then swipe left. And then I'm going to type in Widgetsmith. So once that comes up, I'm going to select the small widget. So then that's going to bring it up on my home screen. And I'm going to click on that and select small 1, because that's the first widget I created. So that's going to pop up. So that was the first widget I created. And then I'm going to go back and search again, Widgetsmith, click on the small, click that, click the small widget, and then select small 2. So then that's going to bring up the second widget that I created. And you can arrange it however you want. So that's how you get the widget to come on your home screen. Now I'm going to add the medium widget. So again, I'm going to search Widgetsmith, scroll down, click add medium widget, and then I'm going to select the calendar I want. So I'm going to select that one, click on it, and then the font, I'm going to do noteworthy. The tint color, I'm going to do gray, if I can find it. And then the background color, I'm going to choose white again. There we go, white. Good. So now I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to go back to my home screen, click and hold one of the apps, click edit home screen, and then I'm going to search for Widgetsmith. So then now I'm going to select medium, so add widget, and then I'm going to click on that medium box, and then I'm going to select medium 1. So there we have it. So now I have my 2 small widgets, and then I have 1 medium widget. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the shortcuts. So I'm going to go to the shortcut app, and I'm going to click add action, and I'm going to search open app. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click choose, and then I'm going to choose the app I want to create a shortcut for. So I'm going to do Instagram. So I'm going to click Instagram and then click on the 3 dots, and then I'm going to type in the word Instagram. I'm going to click add to home screen, and then that green box, I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to select a picture that I want to put on my Instagram shortcut. So I'm going to choose this picture, and then I'm going to erase where it says new shortcut, and I'm going to type in Instagram, and I'm going to click add. And it's going to be added to my home screen. So then I'll click done. Done again. And I'm going to close that, and there goes the picture. So I'm just going to click on it, hold it down, edit home screen, and then bring it to this home page. So I'm going to swipe and then just land it right there. And then I'm going to go back to the shortcut app again. Click the plus sign. Click add action. Type in open app. Click choose. And then I'm going to select another app. So I'm just going to choose Facebook. So I'm going to click the 3 dots again. Type in Facebook. And then I'm going to click add to home screen. And then click in that little box right there, choose photo, and I'm going to choose a picture for Facebook. So again, I got all my little pictures and stuff from Pinterest, you guys. Definitely check Pinterest out. They have some super cute stuff there. So yeah. And then I'm going to click done and swipe up to close that. And there go my shortcut, my Facebook shortcut. So I'm just going to swipe it over and put that on my landing page. And I'm going to repeat this same step. Shortcut app, click the plus sign, new action, open app, click on it, click choose, and select the next app that I want to use. So click camera, hit the 3 dots, type in camera, and I'm going to click add to home screen. Click on that box, choose photo. I'm going to select a photo. That's so cute. And then I'm going to choose that one. And then change the name from new shortcut to camera. And you can use whatever, you can choose whatever name you want to use, but I'm just going to keep the same name. So camera, add to home screen, click done. And then I'm just going to move that over to my landing page. So like I said, I'm just going to repeat the same process for all the shortcuts I want to create. So next I'm going to create shortcuts for the bottom 4 apps. So hold it, click edit home screen. I'm going to search shortcut. I'm going to click the plus arrow and then add action, open apps, and then click the 3 dots, and I'm going to search for the app I'm going to add at the bottom of the screen. And then add to home screen, click on that purple box, choose photo, and then I'm going to select a picture for my text message. So I like the little bubble picture. So then I'm going to rename it to text. I'm going to save it. I'm going to click done. So I'm going to press and hold down my message app, and I'm going to click on remove app. So then it's going to ask you if you want to remove the app from the home screen. So I'm just going to click on that. Don't worry, it's not going to delete your apps. It's just going to store your apps in the app library. So all your apps are stored in your app library, so you don't have to worry about anything being deleted. So here it is right there, stored. So like I said, I'm going to repeat the same, creating a shortcut for the rest of the 3 apps at the bottom. Just go to shortcut, click the plus sign, click new action, type in open app, select open app, click choose, and then I'm going to scroll until I find the call app. So I'm just going to look for that, and then I'm going to click on that, click the 3 dots, and then I'm going to type in call. And then I'm going to add that to my home screen. Click on the orange box, choose photo, and then I'm choosing this phone picture. And then I'm going to choose that, change the name from new shortcut to call. And then I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to click done. Done again. And then I'm just going to move that phone to the bottom, but I'm going to remove the phone app first. And again, it's going to get saved to your app library. So you're just removing it from your home screen. It's going to get saved to your app library. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the same step for the Safari app. Guys, this is what my home screen looks like. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.